Hi everyone, blessed be. So I wanted to show you a different idea I had for my Bridget's cross this year. I decided that I wanted to place it inside this hoop. This is just an embroidery hoop that I've took apart, and I wanted to make like a cute thing to hang on the wall with the Bridget's cross I made. Now, traditionally, obviously, you would make a Bridget's cross each year, and you would return the previous one to the earth and then make a brand new one with the some new straw and things from the new year. But I haven't got that, so I'm showing you with the old one I made. So just imagine that I've remade this Bridget's cross. I'm going to make a new one at some point, but I haven't got any materials to make it with that I want to use, because I'd prefer to use like natural materials. But I thought I'd show you an idea that you could use with yours when you do make one. So I'm sticking it inside this hoop, first of all, so I'm having to press down quite hard. And I've put glue on all four sort of branches coming off the Bridget's cross. And then what I'm going to do is, once the glue is set, I'm just going to trim off the excess that's hanging over the edge. You could leave it if you wanted, but I've chose to trim it off. So that's why the screen's blank at the minute, and you can just see my grippy thing that's covering my table. I'm just trimming off the four pieces that are sticking out. And then once that's done, and once the glue's dry, then it's just a case of decorating it and deciding what you want to add. I'll show you what I've added in the end, but I'll show you some ideas. So you could add some snowdrops. They're very fitting for this time of the year. You could add a little bit of greenery, and you don't have to use all natural materials. You could use some artificial ones like I'm doing here. I haven't got enough of these to decorate this with though, unfortunately. So what I went for in the end was I went for some green ribbon, and what I did with my green and white ribbon. And what I did with my green and white ribbon is wrapped it around the hole of the hoop that goes round the cross. And when it was done, it looked like this. So I thought I would show you. It's just a nice, fun, easy DIY that you can make to decorate your home. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Blessed be. And bye for now.